Hey Wonder Friends, welcome back to Wonderville Studios. Today we're going to draw a monkey. Monkeys can be kind of difficult to draw, but I'm going to show you a really easy way to draw a monkey. So make sure you get some markers, pens, crayons, whatever you like to draw with, and some paper. We're going to have a good time. Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to draw the monkey, like I said. And I like to draw all my drawings with this big old thick Sharpie. You can draw with whatever you'd like to draw. This time we're going to start with our paper vertical. Vertical means up and down. So it'll be like up and down like when you're writing a letter or anything like that. We're going to start with it vertical, just like that. And we're going to want to start with our monkey like in the top part. So if we were to look at this paper as in half, we want to make sure that we keep our monkey's head in the top part. And the easy way to start a monkey's head is you're just going to draw an oval right on the top, just like that. And then on each side of that oval, I want you to think about like two circles, right? And the circles are going to go one here and one right here. Okay? Now, like we've talked about before, if you're looking at a character and you can draw an imaginary line right down the middle of it, that's going to give us an idea of where one eyeball is going to be, and then you're going to draw another eyeball over on this side. And that's the great way to start to get these eyeballs in place for you. Now, we want to make sure that we put in a couple more circles inside of it. I think it's kind of funny to make monkeys have like a little bit of their eyes a little close together. Adds a lot of fun to it. And you can, at the top of here, so you can, at this point, decide, does your monkey, you want to have your monkey have a bow on its head? Do you want to have it have just some hairs? I'm going to have my monkey just have a couple hairs sticking up just like that. Now, inside of this circle, right, which is the ear, you're going to draw another circle inside of it just like that. And then one more on this side. So now our monkey is starting to really kind of come together. Now this is where it can get a little tricky because we want to make sure that this looks like a monkey, but you also want to make sure that you have a really fun mouth on it. So one of the things that we can do is if you want to picture like a line going across right by these eyeballs right here. And in this line, we're going to start one this way, and we're going to loop it around just like that. Okay? And then when you stop it, you're going to draw a line on the ends of it. Now, do you want your monkey to have its tongue hanging out? Do you want your monkey to have its teeth? Do you want it just to have this smile like that? This is where it's totally up to you. I'm going to put two little tiny teeth poking out at the bottom of my monkey. And the nose, right, is going to be like this type of shape. So it's almost like a half circle, squishy circle, but it's going to be open. And then in the middle, you're going to draw another shape just like that. And then you're going to do that same thing on this side. And then you're going to color that in. Right? You can give your monkey some eyebrows. Okay. And monkeys have kind of like those faces, right, where they have like hair and then they don't have any hair on their face. And this is a good way to do that would be if we would start with at this corner to this corner, we're going to draw a little circle up just like this, but stop right before it gets to the eyeball and do the same thing on that side. And we're going to draw a line that goes kind of like it's going to ride along the edge of that eye. And it's just going to go like this. It's going to go right around and stop right in the middle. And you're going to draw another line that goes around the other one and meets that other line. And this is where you can color in the monkey a different color right there. Okay? Now that you got that part of your monkey, we need to make sure we put a body on this monkey. So one of the things that we can do is we can just draw a big fat monkey. You can kind of pick what you want to do. You can do a tall skinny monkey. You can do a monkey wearing a suit. You can do a monkey wearing whatever. I think what we're going to do is well, at least what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the monkey with doing one line down and then one line down this way. And I'm going to connect those two lines together just like that. And then in the middle of it, I'm going to put a belly. I'm going to do the belly just by drawing an oval right in the middle. And then from this bottom, I'm going to draw one line down and then another line down. And we're going to draw one line out and another line out. So now we have what would be like the start of the arms and the legs for the monkey. And where this started, where this line stopped, we're going to draw another line right beside it. So now that our monkey will have like legs. So now we have two legs there. And then where you stopped here, you're going to draw a shape just like that. And then another one just like that too. And then you can draw some lines right there. And those lines will be like the toes of the monkey. And then up here where you stop there, you're going to draw another line just like this and another line just like that. And then we're going to put some hot dog fingers on our monkey. So just draw these little hot dog kind of shapes. And do the same thing on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Now, one of the big things about a monkey is it has a tail. Now, I don't know if do you guys know the difference between a monkey and an ape, like a gorilla and a monkey? A gorilla is an ape and a monkey is a monkey. What makes a monkey different than a gorilla? And that is the tail. Apes don't have a tail. Monkeys do have a tail. So what we're going to do for the tail is we're going to start right here and we're just going to draw a line that's going to curve up. And then we're going to start another line right below that, and it's going to curve up and meet with that line right over there. So then you can have a lot of fun from this point. You can dress your monkey up a little bit. You can give your monkey like it's wearing a cut-off t-shirt, right? And I can say he has like a banana on his t-shirt, you know, because it would be his like favorite food is like a banana. So he's got like a belly button, right? Maybe we can draw some little lines to make it look like it's got some hair. You can really have a lot of fun decorating all the parts around your monkey and have like a good time. And that kind of reminds me about monkeys. Is monkeys are usually really silly. And there's something that's really important about laughing, right? Doesn't it make us feel good to laugh and have a good time and be a little silly sometimes? So maybe sometimes where you feel like, you know, things just seem like too much, or maybe, you know, you have a friend that, you know, feels down, or maybe a teacher that feels down. Maybe what you can do is be a little bit of a monkey yourself and do something to make them laugh and make them feel good, and, you know, have a little bit of silly in your life, because a little bit of silly, you know, could really change a lot of things for a lot of people. So be like the monkey. That's, I guess, what I'm saying. I guess I'm saying be a monkey, which, you know, I'm sure that your moms or dads or somebody at some point has called you a monkey. So maybe you'd be like, yeah, I am kind of a monkey. I am kind of goofy. So, guys, to wrap up this drawing, what we're going to do is make sure you sign your name on the bottom so everybody knows who did this wonderful piece of work. And I hope that you had a lot of fun making this monkey with me. Be a little silly. Have some fun with your day. You know, I would love to see what kind of drawing your monkey turned out to be. And, you know, like, as always, if your drawing looks different than mine, that's cool. It just shows you how unique and different you are. You took the thing that I showed you and you made your own version of it. And I think that's even better than the one that I drew. So, guys, until I see you next time, be the weird you want to see in the world. Be nice and inspire others. And I will see you later. See ya. Hey Wonder Friends, thanks for drawing with us. Hope you liked this video, and if you did, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We upload new videos all the time. Now with the help of your parents, we'd love to see your drawings. So make sure you have them uploaded to Facebook or Twitter. They can find us at Wonderville Studios. We would love to see what your drawings and your creativity and your uniqueness come to life. And until we see you, be nice and inspire others. See ya!